In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Weebly store. Start on the Overview dashboard inside your Weebly account. Once you're signed in and looking at Overview, find the option to add a new site. Click Add Site to begin a fresh store setup. This opens Weebly's guided onboarding, which will walk you through a few quick choices before you land in the editor. First, enter your store's name. Pick a short, memorable name that reflects your brand. You can change it later. Keep it easy to spell and avoid special characters that can confuse visitors or domains. After typing the name, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked about your goal. Just choose I'm just trying out Weebly. This keeps things simple and provides a low commitment starting point. It doesn't lock you in. It simply tailors suggestions during setup and in the editor. Now select a business category. Click Food and Drink. Categories help Weebly suggest suitable layouts, colors, and content blocks that resonate with your niche. After that, select the specific type of business that best matches what you offer, like a cafe, bakery, or beverage brand. Picking the closest match helps the editor preload pages and sections that fit your needs, saving you time. Click Continue to confirm your selections. You'll then be prompted for your business address. Type the full address of your store, including street, city, and postal code. This information powers location display, pickup options, local search, and accurate tax and shipping settings later. If you're still finalizing a location, use your official business mailing address for now and update it when you're ready. Double check for typos so customers can find you without issues. After your address is saved, you'll arrive at your site's dashboard. From here, click Edit Site. This opens the Weebly site editor where your starter template is waiting. You can change text, swap images, adjust colors, and begin shaping your storefront to match your brand. The choices you made a moment ago guide the default content you see, but everything is customizable. So take a minute to explore the panels and preview how your changes look. That's the initial setup complete. You've created a new Weebly store, set your name, chosen your category and business type, added your address, and opened the editor. In the next video, we'll build on this foundation. But for now, you're ready to start designing your pages and getting your store ready for launch.